if you're new to baking, this banana bread is very easy and simple to make. So enjoy watching! And when your mixture is well combined and ready, apply a thin layer of butter on the pan to prevent the bread from sticking. So the bread won't look plain. You can use different toppings like walnuts, almonds, or raisins. And if these are not available, you can simply spread mixed butter and sugar minutes before you take it out of the oven. Once the mixture is ready, bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. So now we have our moist and yummy banana bread. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!